Levante, come on, Quash. Put us dentro.
We are sip the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we no stray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but
there's a huge difference, and I think the huge difference is psychologically. I think the kids over in the UK, Europe generally, are miles ahead. They're tougher mentally. They're in professional organisations from 10 and 11.
Right.
Their development process is much quicker than it is here.
It doesn't hurt me. Do you wanna feel how it feels? Do you wanna know that it doesn't hurt me? Do you wanna hear about the deal I'm making? You, it's you and me. If only could, I'd make a deal with God, and I'd get in the swap our places. Be running up that road, be running up that hill, be running up that building. If only could.
Catch up.
Don't wanna hurt me, but see how deep the bullet lies. Unaware, I'm tearing you asunder. Oh, there is thunder in our hearts. Is there so much hate for the ones we love? Tell me
So your approach to a big challenge.
We focus, but I want to make the highest, see how far I can go, and that's the better myself.
What was your last score?
140.
Just approach it aggressively and just try and improve my previous score that I made.
What was your previous score?
Well, the previous score was 97.
Coming back from an injury, right?
Yeah.
How has that been going?
Well, just have to be doing the right work, the right recovery work, and well, just everything's coming along slowly but surely.
So rise and shine. Welcome to the grind. It's tougher. So just make sure this is something you want, because the easy way out will always be there, ready to wash you away. All you have to do is pick up your feet.
Come on, Russell. Come on. Now it's about psychology. That is all it is right now. Here we go, Quash.
But you aren't going to, are you? With each step comes the decision to take another. You're on your way now, but this is no time to dwell on how far you've come. You're in a fight against an opponent you can't see, but oh, you can feel him on your heels, can't you? Feel him breathing down your neck. You know what that is? That's you. Your fears, your doubts, and insecurities all lined up like a firing squad, ready to shoot you out of the sky. But don't lose heart. While they're not easily defeated, they are far from invincible. Remember, this is the grind. The battle royale between you and your mind, your body, and the devil on your shoulder is telling you that this is just a game. This is just a waste of time. Your opponents are stronger than you. Drown out the voice of uncertainty with the sound of your own heartbeat. Burn away your self-doubt with a fire lit beneath you. Remember what we're fighting for and never forget that momentum...
Good, Jordan. Fantastic. Good, Jordan. Good, Lance. Phenomenal, buddy. Come on. Come on, Micah. Come on. There we go. Just concentrate. That is all you're looking to do. Set big times. Good. I like it, buddy. I like it.
You'll never change what's been May your smile.
What was the score?
125.
Right. So going through your mind, what was going through your mind while you're up there now in the hundreds? What keeps you going?
I just had a coming back off an injury and I just want to push myself to get back to full fitness. And so I just trying to push myself to the hardest that I could.
How you feel you're doing so far? You feel like you're on course?
Yeah, I feel I'm like on course because to be hitting that high score, that not being fully fit, I'm happy with myself.
What was your score?
I'm not sure actually.
140?
140 or 141?
141. Fantastic. What do you think has gotten you to that point in terms of your fitness?
Just constantly trying to train at my best and push myself every time I train. Just trying to become a better player.
We are sip the Henny for the day, baby. Bad man, we no stray, baby. Oops, I don't